Welcome to Traveling Bits. We are at Pearl Valley. In Kannada, it is also called Muthyala Maduvu. It is 40 kilometers from Bangalore and another 5 kilometers from Anekal. We took the Bannerghatta road Jigani route as we first went to Bannerghatta National Park. We are in the parking space now, so let's go ahead and check out the place.
Me and Priya, we are going to cover it, and we're going to see how beautiful is it. The sun is going to mellow down. It's already mellowed a lot, so we're going to have lunch, and then we're going to trek on the other side, and we're going to check if there is some water on the falls. I know that's a big question mark, but then we are very much excited. What do you say?
Let's go and eat. I'm hungry.
Okay, so let's go for lunch and then we will check it out.
Yeah.
The building you saw on the other side is a hotel run by KSTDC, which is Karnataka State Tourism Development Corporation, which has both fooding and lodging facilities.
In this hotel, there is a balcony where you can sit and have snacks or lunch, whatever, and it gives an amazing view. On the other side, there is this pond, which is they have made into boating activity, which was not there before. So we will see later all of this, but right now it's time to have food.
We are now actually going downstairs to see the restaurant. The restaurant is located at the cliff of the hill and gives an amazing view of the gorge and the other side of the hill and the lush green jungle. This is more like a very peaceful open restaurant, and it feels even better during the rainy season. You can get decent food, and if one would like to drink, that is also available. The full name of the property is Mayura Nisarga Pearl Valley. It is run by KSTDC, a government of Karnataka enterprise. There is a separate room for families who want to have a quiet, peaceful meal. We are now going to climb down around 100 to 150 steps. These steps have been very well laid recently. Earlier, there were just steps where you have to walk down.
Going to the falls, we will track down and see the falls has some water or something, but it's going to be good. So we're just walking down through the steps, and let's see how it is.
Yeah, let's go.
The place we are going to now is like a gorge. There are hills on both sides. On the left hand side, a small and a very cute waterfalls keeps flowing, caressing the cliff of the hill, and makes a small pond at the foothill. And this water from the pond moves forward and transforms into a stream which keeps flowing onwards.
So just walking down and kind of small exercise as well.
Workout.
Yeah. So Priya doesn't work out anyways, she just told.
You're not supposed to say that.
That's what. Some sound is there. Something is there. So here also I'm seeing a lot of construction. So places of natural beauties, typically should not have that much of construction. But good to our thing that we have water.
Yeah.
We have water, so let's go and see the water. Can you come? So falls, what you see here is known as the Pearl Valley Falls, or Muthyala Maduvu in Kannada. But as you note here, that the name pearl came because the water used to fall on the stones and it used to feel like pearl. But the underlying structure, the stones, everything has been moved, so it doesn't resemble what it used to be, but still some water is there. That is good to see.
Let me show you some old pictures from my earlier visits that will give you some idea how it used to look earlier. This picture is from around 2003 or 4. This one is from 2010. During monsoon, the water flow is evidently more, and you can also see from the pictures that earlier there was much more water. With so much development activity around, the catchment area of streams and falls are becoming lesser
So
and
as you
lesser.
can see the streams here. So we're walking a little bit, inside the forest area. The small Shiva temple.
If you walk through this route, walking through the bank of the stream, you will get a small route after some time which will allow you to track to the top of the hill. I had tracked it a couple of times earlier when I had visited this in around 2014 and 2010. From the top of the hill, you will not only get an awesome view, but you will also be able to see the boundary of Bannerghatta National Park. This route seems to be more jungle infested this time than what I experienced in the last 2 times. After walking for some time, I did not feel to go any further and I returned back. And I would also tell that if you are going, typically go with your friends and in large numbers when you are trekking to the top of the hill. There may be antisocial elements out there. This is from the year 2010. When in the early morning with some of my colleagues I have trekked there, and it was awesome.
Hey people, we just came out from the trek. We went down maybe around 150 to 200 steps and saw the falls. So good to see that the falls had water, but a lot of changes. But it's a good time, you can come over here, food or drinks are available. You can come with friends, come with family. Okay, so do let us know how it was. And so Priya, what do you say? What's your take on that?
I think the weather was beautiful and I enjoyed being there. So what I can say is you can come to this place if you have a boring weekend or you don't have much to do. You can come to this place, you can chill around, you can watch the sunset or you can watch the sunrise. It's amazing place, amazing view. I love it.
Okay, so that's all. Keep watching the channel Traveling Bits and subscribe to it and click on the bell icon. Until see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.